released tomorrow is the film Since Yesterday, the untold story of Scotland's girl bands. Looks great from the trailer, has had some excellent reviews and is showing in cinemas from tomorrow. Check local press for details. Named after a Strawberry Switchblade number, and they have provided one of this week's archive sessions, and from it, this is Another Way.